What is important to know about financial literacy? Part 2. Financial education encompasses a wide range of concepts that are crucial for making informed decisions about money and managing personal finances. Here's a list of important finance concepts to help you become financially educated. Financial security. Achieving financial security involves building a strong financial foundation, including emergency savings, insurance coverage, and a diversified investment portfolio. Debt management. Being aware of different types of debt, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, and managing them responsibly is key to maintaining financial health. Credit management. Understanding credit scores, credit reports, and the impact of credit on financial health. Knowing how to build and maintain good credit. Credit scores. Knowing how credit scores work and the factors that influence them is important for obtaining favorable terms on loans and credit cards. Risk management. Understanding and managing financial risks, such as market risk, inflation risk, and interest rate risk, is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Risk tolerance. Assessing personal risk tolerance for investments. Aligning investment choices with risk preferences. Tax knowledge. Basic knowledge of tax laws and strategies can help individuals optimize their tax positions and take advantage of available deductions and credits. Tax planning. Basics of personal income tax, deductions, and credits. Strategies for tax-efficient investing and financial planning. Inflation. Understanding the impact of inflation on purchasing power. Adjusting investment and saving strategies for inflation. Economic awareness. Staying informed about economic trends, interest rates, inflation, and other macroeconomic factors that can affect personal finances. Financial markets. Basics of how financial markets work. Understanding economic indicators and market trends. Compound interest. Grasping the concept of compound interest and its impact on savings and investments. Behavioral finance. Understanding behavioral finance principles helps individuals recognize and manage psychological biases that can impact financial decision-making. Developing awareness of common cognitive biases in finance. Critical thinking. Developing the ability to critically evaluate financial products, services, and advice. Being able to make informed decisions based on careful consideration of options. Consumer rights and responsibilities. Knowing consumer rights, responsibilities, and protections. This includes understanding financial contracts, avoiding scams, and making informed purchasing decisions. Identity theft and fraud. Protection. Taking precautions to protect against identity theft and financial fraud. Monitoring financial accounts for unauthorized activity. Continuous learning and staying informed about changes in the financial landscape are essential for ongoing financial education. Resources such as books, online courses, financial news, and professional advice can further enhance your understanding of these concepts.